So guys, here we have an old video that's really considered as an asset, and I found it actually by coincidence in my hard disks. We are very lucky. This circuit has been specially made by me as the easiest one, and still very profound. You can get a very beautiful and wonderful AM radio using this circuit, LM741, but here we are using UA741CN. Anyways, so we start here with the EMRF coil. Actually, it's taken from a radio. This is an antenna coil, and if you want to make your own antenna coil, please go down to the links for the videos to learn how you can do it or make it yourself. And I really recommend that you download first the schematics, 3 schematics, and also watch all the required videos below in the description box. Secondly, you can see that we have the variable capacitor, because it's linked the RF coil. As you can see, the RF coil is connected to the variable capacitor that is 130 picofarads in parallel. And you can see also here that we have connected the audio to audio amplifier that I made myself, 9 volts audio power amplifier consisting of 3 transistors, so that we can get out a real audible sound. But still you can use the headphones instead of the circuit, and still you can hear a very good sound. Still you can also connect, instead of the audio power amplifier, a speaker, but the sound will be very little. So let's go ahead guys and connect it to test the results. 9 فولت، وانا احط برضو الطرف الموجب هنية. انا والله ما ادري تسمعون لا ما تسمعون. So what we have done actually here as an upgrade is replacing my previous 9 volt transistor audio power amplifier with the IC LM386 9 volts audio power amplifier, and that's all we have done actually. Then we are going to test the audio amplifier LM386 with an outside source of signal, okay? And then after that, we will attach the two circuits, the UA741CN, which is the radio working on 9 volts, to the audio amplifier LM386, also 9 volts. So please notice that there is a symbol change. Instead of connecting one side to the positive as we have done previously with the speaker or the headphones, now we will change it to the earth or negative. So one side, it's going to be the earth and negative will be connected to the earth and negative of the audio power amplifier, and the other side actually from pin number 6, which is connected to C4 22 microfarads. The other side will be connected now to the entrance of the signal of the audio power amplifier, and this is how it is going to work. Now let's go ahead and test the result.
This is where his soul is most at home, where he and his companions are in their element, a fleeting moment in time when he's one with the magnificent Lijiang River.
straight head. لا يوجد أبدا صوت صاحب مثل هذا. ممكن نغير هنا ممكن نفك هذا، نحط الراديو، بس لازم نشغل الراديو لأنه معبي حجارته ضعيفة جدا، هي عبارة عن بطارية 9 فولت. طبعا تلاحظوا راديو موجة متوسطة موجة الليل عم بلوتوث مديويل يعني جوا يعني هذا هي الصوت.
ربما أنساني الفهد الأول الفهد الآخر على كل حال.
يبغى وزن بشوية مقاومات وكذا.
حتى ذلك وجهنا دائما التحية لكم منا. إلى اللقاء.
At the end, we got simple and easy but still effective EM radio circuit that is done by Ben Faifa, especially for you guys to be able to enjoy. I want from you to go ahead and execute the circuit and enjoy the results. Thank you very much and see you soon.